Welcome to the GCSE Computing Key Stage 4 Pathways event. I'll be talking to you about the GCSE Computing OCR course. Computer science is one of the most important and rapidly growing fields in the world. It's the foundation for all modern technology, from smartphones to self-driving cars. There are some really interesting developments in computer science at the moment, and it's a really important subject to study. It's very challenging and rewarding. It opens up a wide range of career opportunities, and it will give you a better understanding of technology in the world around us. These are the 8 content areas that we will cover at GCSE. The first is algorithms, where we look at the different what an algorithm is and how they work, and we look at specific examples of algorithms such as searching and sorting algorithms. Then programming, that's a very large section of the course. We spend probably about 40% of our time on just learning how to program and learning how to do that in a robust manner, and we learn that in the Python programming language. Then we have section 3, which is data representation. So that is looking at how computers understand and represent information. So that's things like binary, how they represent images, how they represent sound, how we represent text, all of that stuff. Then section 4 is computer systems architecture. We take a look inside of a computer. We look at the hardware. We look at the different parts that make up a computer, how a computer processes a set of instructions, and how software works and what the different types of software are. Then we take a look at networks, so how do computers work together to achieve certain outcomes. Then we look at cybersecurity, which is incredibly important, especially in today's world, looking at what are cybersecurity threats, how do organizations prevent them. Then we look at ethics, which looks at the legal and ethical issues around computers, and so that we understand how we are handling them and to handle them in a safe way. And then section 8 is databases, and we take a look at how databases work and investigate SQL. The final assessment, there are 2 exams. They are both 90 minutes. The first exam will cover what is in red here. So it will cover data representation, computer systems architecture, networks, cybersecurity, ethics, and databases. And the second exam will cover algorithms and programming. There can be a little bit of overlap on certain questions. Some things get moved between the 2 exams from year to year, but broadly you have an exam that looks at the systems of computers and one exam that is looking specifically at algorithms, computational thinking, and programming. They are both non-calculator papers. Post-16 choices, so when you finish your GCSE, A-level computer science is offered by the North Bristol Post-16 Centre, and we would very much encourage you, if you've enjoyed it at GCSE, to pursue it at A-level. There are also apprenticeships in IT that computer science sets you up well for. University options, so once you've finished that post-16 qualification, if you want to look at university, there are many subjects you can look at: computer science, software development, software engineering. Most STEM subjects will find it very useful if you have a background in computer science, so that you can engage with the programming aspects of those courses, and then data analysis and data science. In terms of career choices, there's loads. You can look at IT professionals, network engineers, software engineers, game design, academia, cybersecurity, research, web development, forensic computing, education. There are lots and lots of future pathways that you can take computer science. It is not just a person in an office hacking away at code all day. In terms of homework, we do weekly quizzes with Mr. Armour from mrarmourcomputing.co.uk. There are quizzes for each lesson that we do there, and we use those to track students' achievement as we move through the 2 years. There will be programming challenges sent home, and as we move into year 11, there will be practice exam questions sent home as well. Support for students, there is the mrarmourcomputing.co.uk website and the isaaccomputerscience.org website. These are brilliant websites that are full of lots of resources that we will use in class. There are the Craig and Dave YouTube videos, which are brilliant revision resources, and there will be available to purchase a revision guide and an exam preparation booklet from the school in year 11. And that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. This has been the Introduction to Computer Science for Key Stage 4 Pathway event. Thank you.